Do you have trouble falling asleep or waking up frequently at night? If you ever struggle to get out of bed in the morning, click the like button. Getting enough sleep is a key component of life that can even affect its quality. Healthy sleep is just as important as eating well and exercising. Due to our modern pace of life, sleep quality and quantity have significantly decreased as a result of many people starting to get poor sleep. If you are one of them, we can offer you a magic formula that will help you harmonize your sleep and make your morning wake-ups easier. We hope it will help. Additionally, poor sleep can affect your brain functions, hormonal background, and work performance. It can increase the risk of getting diseases and even make you gain weight. Have you heard of Craig Ballantyne's Early to Rise blog? He writes it so that you wake up tomorrow feeling rested. He believes that the best night's sleep begins during the day, which means you need to get ready for it sometime before you turn off the light. So here is his theory. The blog is about healthy eating and sound sleep, so he has developed what he calls the 10-3-2-1-0 formula, through which anyone can get a full night's sleep and feel refreshed and full of energy the next day. You need to give your body 10 hours before bed to rid it of the stimulants in caffeine, because even one dose can make you feel too energized and stimulate your nervous system, which may make it difficult to wind down at night. As a result, avoid all forms of caffeine from this point forward, including green tea or black tea, Coca-Cola energy drinks, and chocolate. Don't forget to add nicotine to this list, because it takes 10 hours for nicotine to leave your system after use. If you have less than 3 hours before bed, avoid eating and drinking because your body expends a tremendous amount of energy digesting a late meal and getting rid of the bad stuff in alcohol. In this case, your body is actually working at full capacity in the evenings while you're at home relaxing after work. Although alcohol can make you feel drowsy at night, it will cause disturbed sleep, giving you the feeling that you spent the night awake. If you have any thoughts that are bothering you, write them down and put the list aside. This is a wonderful stress reduction strategy. From this point on, don't work or think about work. If you truly can avoid it, leave it for tomorrow. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get updates about health and wellness. Numerous other ways such as reading, listening to music, getting a massage, or even using meditation techniques can help you unwind your body and mind. A nice resting environment might be a good option. 1 hour before going to bed, refrain from glancing at a TV, computer, or smartphone screens. Even if Facebook, Twitter, or email are enticing you, don't do it. Make sure your room is quiet, dark, and chilly because any light can cause problems. To help you go to sleep, consider using blackout curtains and earplugs. If necessary, you can also add additional relaxing components to your room, such as scented candles. There are only a few minutes left before your alarm, so some calming activities like relaxation techniques can be a useful addition. A humidifier or even a fan can become an essential part of your sleep. Do you dislike the sound of your alarm and set it for 10 minutes later every morning? If so, you should stop doing that. Instead, turn off your alarm clock and get out of bed immediately. Don't fall into the habit of repeatedly setting your alarm to sleep mode. Getting up right away after the alarm goes off will help you develop this crucial habit. On your back, snooze because there's no pressure on your face. This position results in fewer fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, this posture enables you to maintain the breast is supported, which avoids drooping. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments down below if you know any other secrets of good sleep. If you want more secrets and tips, subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video.